Today was non-farm payroll day, and it's a good time to take a look at the tools, Jigsaw Trading Tools, and see how they perform during a really crazy market environment, which we had today. We had the numbers come out, and you can see, right here at 8:30, we had this massive pop up. We had a little bit of a pullback, another pullback, and then we had a retest of the high, and then again another pullback. And we're kind of in the middle of this second pullback. And from a price action pattern perspective, it looks a lot like we have a second entry short that has happened, and at the same time we have a second entry long that is setting up. So what we're expecting is the second entry short to fail and the second entry long to succeed. So now if we come and look over here at our tools, you can see our strength meter is about even. We have offers being pulled, not well supported on the bid side. Offers being strengthened over here on the offer side. And what we're going to see here in a minute, we're going to see a switch. And part of it is because the big players have come in. They started establishing their positions. Now we're starting to see a switch. We now have twice as much long executions as opposed to short executions. The bid started firming up over here. You see the offers starting to pull. And it's a great time to get in here. You've got this other large trader that came in, 103. You can get in right here. A lot of strength here with these trades, not just from the big guys, but from everybody else coming in too. So we pop up. We're already up a couple ticks here. It's probably going to wiggle around a little bit. And again, as long as we continue to see this firming up here on the bid side, and we continue to see offers being pulled over here, then we can feel pretty good about the trade. Now, if that comes back, then we want to evaluate our position, possibly either get out with at break even or a small loss. But look at all this strength over here on the at the big player side. So if we see a lot of small players come through, on the sell side, we're a little bit less concerned about that than if we get a lot of the big players coming through. We can see we got a lot of these smaller guys coming through, a couple big players. Still a lot of bull strength here. Firming up a little bit here on the offer side, but then boom, all of a sudden, we take off. We get this influx of additional big players, and now we're up here. This is a great time to look to take out of get out of your scalp. You can see the bid starting to get pulled here, so that's a good sign of weakness on the long side. Offers are firming up over here, so good time to scalp out right here, or move to break even. See if you can catch us running up. But very good example of how to use the tools on a day that could potentially be very wild, very dramatic.